Hello YouTube and welcome to a short Techsloth video with a brand new Apple iPhone XS. Just in case something is wrong with the device, you have to bring it back to Apple, you have to send it back to Apple, you are giving it away, you are already selling it again. Make sure you delete and reset the device. To do so, step number 1, go into Settings. Then hit General, scroll all the way down until you find Reset. And here, be carefully, choose Erase all content and settings. This is the only option that will delete all the stuff that's on your device, your pictures, your photos, your chats, whatsoever. Keep in mind, your cloud accounts, your Twitter, your Facebook, all the accounts will still be there. Only the connection from this device to those accounts will be deleted. And so will be everything that's only saved on this device. So maybe make sure that you do a backup before you reset everything. Now hit Erase Now, then enter your passcode. Confirm once again that you want to erase your iPhone. Confirm it twice. And then enter your Apple ID password. Then we are back in the setup home screen, and now to power the device off, press the on off button and the volume up button at the same time. Push it, and then on top slide to power off. Now the device will power down, but you're not yet done. Don't forget about your SIM card. Grab your SIM card tool, slide out the tray. Grab your SIM card if the one is still inside the device, put the SIM card back into the device and then box everything and you're ready to go. This is it. Thank you guys for watching and I see you all in the next video. Bye!